Hello everyone, welcome to our new vlog. Right now we are waiting for the boat to go to Nusa Lembongan. So we got a driver who picked us up from Ubud, and now we're here waiting. We have like 30 minutes, going to eat something small maybe. And hopefully the trip will go good. The weather is pretty fine, so it should be good, and it's only like 20 minutes I think, so has to be good, right? This one will be fun. This is the boat we're taking. It's not big, is it? What? Scooter? Maybe we'll see soon. We need to eat first, okay? Thank you. We got to this small paradise. It's so beautiful. With this boat, it was only like 20 something minutes, so not too bad. Although it was a bit bumpy in the middle of the sea, and some people on the boat were just behaving like shit, unfortunately. But yeah, here we are, and it's so beautiful. Our new crib in a big bathroom. This time we do not have any pool, which is maybe a bit unfortunate because it's really warm, but it's so close to the sea. It's like 5-6 minutes of walking, so, and you'll see the beaches here are crazy, like so beautiful. If anyone wonders how much it costs to get from Bali to Nusa Lembongan, it's 32 or 30 something dollars for 2 person, and for this place we're staying at, we're only paying $32 as well. So that's so cheap, comes out like to $10. And the crazy thing is we also get breakfast. Breakfast is included here, so beat that. I'm pretty sure we are in the paradise right now. Look at this. This is the bluest water we have seen so far on our backpacking trip. It's beautiful. Today we woke up early, got some breakfast, and now we're chilling on the beautiful beach here. And we got some sunbeds over there. Alexandra's laying there. And for 2 we got 200,000 rupiah for 2 sunbeds, but it's minimum spend, so we get food and drinks for that. So that's really reasonable, I think. Now I'll take a swim because it's so warm. It's so nice. Today the water is so calm, at least now because it's pretty early, and it's so beautiful. But maybe underwater it's not as I would expect, but there are so many boats here, so that's no wonder, because obviously when they anchor here they destroy the coral. So yeah. We got a new friend apparently, sitting below my sunbed. Hello! How are you? Today we decided to go for a trip to Nusa Penida because we extended our stay actually in Nusa Lembongan. So this is a whole day in Nusa Penida today, going by boat from the morning to the evening, so it's gonna be really cool. Now we're going on a secret path to see the best view. Only problem is there's monkeys here. Gotta hide the camera. So this is the Kelingking Beach. The view here is one of the best I've had. It's so beautiful. And you should definitely go to the spot where we went on the secret path because you get so nice view. So if you're ever here, you can see the place where everyone goes. You just go up close to this restaurant and then you keep going straight. Just like 2 minutes and then you're to the spot we were at. Now we're on the broken beach. Look how beautiful it is. Breathtaking. We are at Angel's Billabong right now. And I kid you not, it's like 35-36 degrees Celsius.
So hot.
Or even more. We are sweating as I don't know what. People are walking around with umbrellas. And here is the famous Alexandra is so happy because she got some Coke in this hot weather. Right? How hype are you from 1 to 10?
11.
Now we are on Crystal Bay Beach. Time to go back to Nusa Lembongan. We're back from our trip and we're going to get some dinner. And the trip was really lovely.
Yeah, it was amazing.
We paid $38 for both of us, which is really good because we went like 8:30 in the morning, came back at 4 o'clock. Yeah. So, and the sights there were beautiful. Like the nature here is awesome. Really cool. After a few minutes walking, we found a new beach and it looks really nice. Yeah, look at this. The weather isn't maybe so beautiful, but it looks cool here. And here's like a huge hotel, resort, something. As I've mentioned before, we have extended our stay here in Nusa Lembongan, and we just took a taxi from the north of the island, and now we are more at the southwest side. And this is our place, and it was so cheap. You'll see the room and I'll tell you the price, but it's insane. This time we only got a fan instead of a air condition. And believe it or not, this room was only $7.50 per night. So that's so cheap. The place we had before was also really cheap, but not this cheap. So 3 nights we got more for $22 or something like that. That's insanely cheap. We got to this secret/hidden beach and there's only a few people here. It looks really nice, but there are plenty of stones, so we have to be careful when we go into the water. Here you have some trash, there you have some trash, and down there you have this beautiful beach. So, like I've said so many times, there's so much trash over here. And it's so sad to see, because this is a really beautiful place, a paradise. But there's so much trash everywhere. Back to our noodles as usual. And Alexandra is enjoying really much.
Approved.
Says it's really good, so time for me to try. When we came to this beach there was a lot of sand, but now the tide has hit, so the water is coming up so fast. We just had some breakfast, some pancakes. I had some with banana. Alexandra has plain. And now we're going to the other island here on close to Nusa Lembongan. It's called Nusa Ceningan,
I think.
something like that. So we got a scooter for today. And sleeping only with a fan is not fun. It gets so hot. But we managed to sleep some at least. But yeah, next time we'll book with air condition probably. Look how gorgeous is this here. It was super warm earlier today, so we got back to our mushroom bay or mushroom beach and stayed there because there's some shadow at least. And now we're going to a really famous place, really cool place, which is the Devil's Tear. Yeah. Right? And you've probably seen videos from it before on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, when people swim there and then the water comes up and like crash. So the entrance was 25k per person, so that's like $3-4 maybe for both. That's okay. For a moment I was like, oh, this is not the place I expected, and Alexandra was like, yeah, this is Devil's Tear. So I was like, no, I have seen pictures and videos, and we found it. Here it is. Like there's a pool and then the waves splash up. After 6 nights in Nusa Lembongan, it's time for us to leave, and we're going to Gili Islands that are connected to Lombok, the biggest island. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check our newest video coming out after this.